Dear learners, welcome to Module 6, titled Introduction to 3D Printing. This module is part of the Erasmus Plus co-funded project Craft 3D, which focuses on advancing the wood manufacturing sector. Our goal is to promote the use of 3D printing in the industry through the development of a dedicated VET curriculum, presented as a MOOC. This curriculum is complemented by a work-based learning experience and a tailor-made assessment tool to monitor your progress in a digital environment. Please note that this short video tutorial features only the most important highlights and key takeaways from its related units. For more in-depth information, please download the training module as a PDF file. Enjoy your learning journey! In Unit 1, we'll focus on unboxing and assembling your 3D printer. It's essential to identify the key components of your printer, which typically include the frame, print bed, extruder, control board, power supply, stepper motors, belts, pulleys, and the LCD screen with the controller. The frame is usually the largest piece and forms the structure of the printer. Let's begin the assembly. Assemble the frame. Start with the base and vertical frames. Use the provided screws and tools to ensure all parts are square and level. Attach the print bed, secure the print bed to the Y-axis, ensuring it moves smoothly. In Unit 2, you will learn to design simple models suitable for low-cost filament printers using beginner-friendly software. Follow these important steps. Start a new design. Enter the realm of Tinkercad through your web browser. Log into your existing account or create a new one. Click on Create New Design to begin your project. Basic shapes. Use Tinkercad's extensive array of basic shapes. Drag and drop a cube onto the work plane to serve as the foundational base of your keychain. In Unit 3, you'll embark on the exciting journey of printing your first 3D object. This unit will guide you step by step through the process. Loading filament and initiating the print, follow the instructions to load the filament and start the print. Monitoring print progress. It's important to monitor the print progress and address any issues that may arise. Here's how to effectively monitor and troubleshoot your print. Proper print progress monitoring. Keep an eye on the printer to ensure everything is running smoothly. Troubleshooting. If you encounter problems, don't panic. You can easily troubleshoot most issues. Post-processing and finishing. Once the print is complete, remove the object from the build plate and perform any necessary post-processing steps to finish it. Here are some key takeaways. First, enabling proper loading of filament is essential to ensure smooth printing operations and prevent issues such as clogs or filament jams. Second, you need to initiate a print job that requires attention to settings such as temperature, speed, and layer height to achieve the desired print quality and structural integrity. That's all for Module 6. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the downloadable PDF file provided with this module. Enjoy your learning and happy printing. Thank you for your attention.